Have you ever in your life thought about buying a house or a big purchase? You'll hear the term down payment, but what is it and why does it matter? A down payment is the money you pay upfront when buying something expensive, like a house, car, or equipment. It shows the lender or seller that you're serious. The bigger your down payment, the less you need to borrow, which usually means lower monthly payments and less interest. Let's go through a quick example. Let's say you want to buy a $300,000 house. If you make a 20% down payment, that's $60,000 you're paying upfront. You'd only borrow $240,000. If you pay less, say 5%, you borrow $285,000, meaning higher monthly payments and more interest over time.